Hello everyone, welcome to Soham Healer's World. First of all, a very Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to you people. So, this is a general reading for Aries for the new year, that is January 2021. This reading includes all the 4 weeks of January 2021. So, let's see what cards have to say. Alright, Aries, so this is your card of the month, that is the Eight of Swords. I feel that it will take you a little more time to come out of the past. Some things of the past are still hurting you. You feel a little trapped. You feel that you need to come out of something and you are not finding a way how to come out of it. So, this will be your energy of the month. Moving towards the first week of January, the cards are Four of Pentacles reversed, Wheel of Fortune reversed, and the Hierophant. So, I see that you could have some worries related to your finances. There could be something which you really wanted. You wanted things to move ahead, but things are not moving ahead. Things are just little stuck in life, and few issues which could also be related to marriage. It could be that maybe you are planning to get married and things are just getting delayed, they are getting postponed, or something in marriage which you had planned and it is just getting delayed. It could be some financial thing, maybe you wanted to invest something with your partner and things are getting delayed, or something, you feel that that luck factor is not here right now. So that kind of a feeling you can have. Before moving towards the other weeks, I would request you to please subscribe to my channel for the monthly readings. Now, for the second week of January, the cards are Queen of Wands, Ace of Wands reversed, and Ace of Pentacles reversed. So, again, I see here that you are desperately wanting to start something new, and unfortunately, you are just not able to start that. You have the idea, but maybe the resources are not there. You have been at a position earlier where you were on you were handling a lot of things, you were at the power position, you were very strong, but now when you are still at that position but you want to grow, but unfortunately you're not getting to grow, you are not able to move forward. It could also be because maybe there are a lot of people who are jealous of you, so you need to just maybe don't tell people about whatever you are planning a lot. Just keep it to yourself, try and make it work first, and once it start working then you may go and tell people about it. So you can be a little careful about that. Moving towards the third week, the cards are Magician, Strength, and Four of Swords reversed. So I feel that your power, your skills, whatever you have planned will somewhat start working from the third week of January. You will feel very strong internally. You have those skills. You whatever you have manifested, I think will start coming true. You will come out of that. You will come out of that basically place where you were feeling little insecure, you were feeling that people don't care for you, and maybe even if it was some physical illness, you will come out of it, you will start recovering, and this week is going to be really good. Your whatever you have manifested will come true and you will feel very good and very strong about it internally. Moving towards the fourth week, the cards are Two of Wands reversed, Ten of Cups, and the Emperor. So I think you are going to get your position back by the fourth week of January. Though maybe you were planning long term goals, but something short term will come. Maybe your plans or goals or some short term activity is going to give you power again. You will be sitting on your throne, you will be enjoying with your family, there will be love all over. Whatever you had planned for the fulfillment of your family is going to come true, and maybe one thing I see here is that maybe you will have to apply to a traditional way to get there, to find the happily ever after with your family. Maybe you need to either take guidance from someone who is basically someone of the previous generation who can guide you in a good way, or you will have to yourself take the position of that person or someone who works a traditional way. So this traditional thing is going to help you, this idea, to reach here. So that's about it. Still, if you have any doubt, you can contact me. Everything is given in the description box. And you can also contact me for your monthly readings or 2021 readings. We are offering 20% discount here. And yeah, that's all about it. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Good luck.